10:28 a.m. MDT May 6, 2024 Alert freeze watch this afternoon. Partly sunny, with a high near 60. Windy, with a west wind 29 to 31 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 48 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy, with a low around 41. Windy, with a west-southwest wind 25 to 30 miles per hour decreasing to 13 to 18 miles per hour after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 48 miles per hour. Tuesday, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Mostly sunny, with a high near 64. Windy, with a southwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour becoming west 24 to 29 miles per hour in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 39 miles per hour. Tuesday night, a 10% chance of showers and thunderstorms before 9 p.m. Mostly clear, with a low around 34. Breezy, with a west-northwest wind 14 to 24 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 37 miles per hour. Wednesday, sunny, with a high near 61. Breezy, with a west wind 13 to 17 miles per hour becoming north-northwest in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 25 miles per hour. Wednesday night, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 38. Breezy. Chance of precipitation is 20%. Thursday, a slight chance of showers, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Mostly cloudy, with a high near 58. Chance of precipitation is 50%. Thursday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight, then a slight chance of showers. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 42. Friday, a slight chance of showers, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Partly sunny, with a high near 61. Friday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 43. Saturday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly sunny, with a high near 68. Saturday night, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Partly cloudy, with a low around 45. Sunday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly sunny, with a high near 72.